Do you want to earn a consistent amount of money like this? If yes, then in this video I will show you the exact method to earn passive income through CPA marketing. This is the best way to make money online from CPA marketing, and I have never seen a video on this method to make money from CPA marketing on YouTube before. This is a very unique way, and I know guys, you have the potential to make this happen and earn thousands of dollars. Here you don't need to invest a single dollar. This is absolutely free, and anyone can apply this method and earn a good amount of money. You don't need any technical skills or any experience. This is going to be for a complete beginner, and if you are a 13-year-old teenager, then you can also do this after watching this video. And if you don't know what CPA marketing is, then I will show you everything that you need to earn money from CPA marketing. It doesn't matter where you are coming from, if you are from India, USA, Nigeria, Philippines, Canada, Sri Lanka, or anywhere on the planet. But you'll have to do it to watch this video all the way to the end, step-by-step guide. This method is going to be very easy. I will show you the CPA network from where we will promote CPA offers, and I will also show you the traffic source which you know about, but you don't know the secret that I am going to show you in this video. First of all, I want you to come over to the CPA network called cpagrip.com. So what is CPA marketing? Basically, CPA stands for cost per action, which means you receives a commission when someone takes a specific action, such as visiting the advertiser's website and subscribing to a newsletter, or signing up for a trial, or submitting their email address. They don't have to buy anything and you will get paid. And if you are thinking why they will pay us if they are not selling anything? So the answer is, there are many companies that just want to get customers' retention and some information. They want to know what the customers think about their products or services, what they like and what they don't like, so that they can make the products and services according to the needs of customers. It is the reason why they are spending a lot of money on CPA marketing. Now all you have to do is create a free account on this CPA network, and to do this, click on the register button right here on the top right corner of this website. Then it will take you to this page, where you will have to fill in some of your information. Now enter your first name, last name. If you want, then you can also add your company and website, but if you don't have, then enter your full address, select your country, city, state, give your phone number, Skype ID, then enter your email address, then create a password and choose your time zone and then agree to their terms and conditions. Once you're done with this, simply click on this Register Now button. And that's it, you have successfully created your account on CPA Grip. Now you can log into your account and promote CPA offers to make money online. Once you log into your account, then your dashboard is going to look like this. As you can see, there are many people who earn a lot of money from this website by promoting CPA offers. You can see here, this person has made over $100,000, and this person has made $49,000, this person has earned $55,000 from this website, and this person has earned over $173,000 just by promoting CPA offers. In this video, I am not going to talk about a few bucks. I will show you how you can earn money like these people, thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month from CPA marketing. Now I have to find a CPA offer which we will promote, so on the left hand side, simply click on this Offer Tools section right here, then simply click on this My Offers button. As you can see, there are many CPA offers that you can promote to actually earn money. Here you can select the country where you want to promote the offer. Now I am going to select United States because the traffic source that I will show you have the highest number of people from US. And if you promote CPA offers in the United States, then you will make more money, because they will pay you more money if you get leads from the United States. And I highly recommend you to promote CPA offers in the United States, so that you can make a lot of money than anyone else. Now on the category section, I want you to select email and Jeep submit. It means if anyone submit his email address, then you will get paid for that. So this is easiest way to make money on CPA marketing. They don't have to buy anything and there is a high chance that they will submit their email address. As you can see, there are many offers which are paying $1 to $2.50 for every person. Let's say if you get 10 leads, then you will make $20. If you get 100 leads, then you will make $200. And if you get 1,000 leads, then you will make $2,000. This is very easy, but you have to be consistent with your work. Watch this entire video and get started from today. Now select any of the offers which you want to promote. So for example, I am selecting this offer which will pay you $2.05 for every lead that you generate. So click on it and it will pop up like this. as you can see, if they submit their email address, then they have a chance to earn a $750 PayPal gift card. And I think they will definitely submit because they have a chance to earn a $750 PayPal gift card in return. They don't have to buy anything or spend any money. So this is your affiliate link, and whenever someone clicks on it and submit his email address, then you will make $2.05 just for that. From here you can copy your affiliate link, so simply click on this copy button right here and copy your affiliate link. You can paste it on another tab, and you can see what type the landing page is going to look like when someone clicks on your affiliate link. But I am leaving this for you, because now I am going to show you how you can get those leads for absolutely free. But before we go any deeper, if you want to know the guaranteed way to earn a lot of money like this in the next 30 days, then simply check out the first link in the description box of this video. So click on it and follow all the steps and start earning 7-figure income online. Now come over to Linktree. It is an amazing tool which allows you to share multiple links, so we will use it to promote our CPA offers. This is absolutely free, so all you have to do is simply create a free account on this website and then log into your dashboard. Now all you have to is simply add 5 links of 5 different offers and then also add titles with them. But make sure that every offer is for different countries. After that it will look like this. I have added 5 different offers for different countries, and I have written a title and added my affiliate link with it. So once you have created it, then simply copy this URL from here and open it in a new tab, and you can see what it's going to look like. As you can see, whenever someone clicks on your Linktree link, then they will land to this page. From here they can select the offer according to their country, and once they click on any of them, then they will be redirected to our affiliate offer. And once they submit their email address, then we will make money. We get $2.05 for every email. So let's say 100 people have submitted, so we will receive $205 in affiliate commission. So this is the overview of how our CPA offer will be delivered to the people. Now it's time to share our link to people. Now I am going to show you the traffic source, from which you can get thousands of people who are ready to grab these offers. You probably know about the traffic source that I am going to show you, but you don't know the secret way to do this. I will show you how you can grab the attention of people and make them submit their email address. But before we go any deeper, if you are enjoying this video and you are getting some value, then give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Finance Boy. Press the bell icon on so that you will be notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Now let's move to our next step. So we will use Facebook to get thousands of people and make money online. Don't worry, I will show you the trick that will help you to make this method working. Now all you have to do is search for the shopping groups, because we are promoting gift cards, and that's why we can get thousands of people who are willing to get gift cards. And the best part is that they don't have to purchase anything, they just have to enter their email addresses. They will definitely click on your link and grab it if you apply the trick that I am going to show you. As you can see, there are thousands of groups that you can join, and all the groups have hundreds of thousands of members. So you can assume how much money you can make if you apply this method correctly. Now simply join as many groups as you can and follow my instructions. Once you have joined the groups, simply open any of them and create a new post. I will show you what to write and how to write. So for this, come over to Google and search for the keywords related to shopping, saving money, gift cards, money, and so on. So let's say I am searching for tips to save money. As you can see, there are a lot of results, so open any of the articles that you like. For example, I am opening this article to see what it is all about, so as you can see, this is a very good article and the content is very professional. Now all you have to do is simply copy the title of the article and main headings of how to save money and paste them on the Facebook post. And in the bottom of this post, write this script which is saying how I saved $750, click here to know how. Then put your Linktree URL here and add an image related to gift card and money, and add some hashtags which are trending on this group. So whenever someone sees your post and reads it, then he will be excited to know the tricks on how you have saved money. So once he clicks on the link, then he will be redirected to the Linktree link, and then he will get surprised to see the chance to earn a $750 free PayPal gift card for free. So once he clicks on the offer and submit, then you will earn $2.05. So all you have to do is to consistently and join as many groups as you can, and first provide some values and then start posting with the link. Hello my dear friends, welcome to Finance Boy, where I teach you how to make money online and build your own successful online business. I bring the best method to make money from affiliate marketing, dropshipping, influence marketing, social media marketing, and I also show some websites and apps where you can earn some extra cash for your daily expenses. So this is my introduction, friend, but my introduction finishes with you because you are the person for which I am doing this work. So if you want to get more videos like this one, then subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon on, so that you will be notified whenever I upload a brand new video for you, and don't forget to mention yourself in comments saying that I have subscribed. I will reply to your comment as soon as possible. Now let's start our video.